I'm in Western Maryland right now. I'm driving through like a little bit of a snowstorm here. Neat. Oh, it's getting bad right through here. And I'm getting past. I'm trying to chill out. It's coming down pretty good. Alright. I'll keep it up here for a little while, maybe another. I'll give you about a minute time here. Yep, Western Maryland, on my way to hit 70 to go up around the turn, the Beltway again. Hopefully it won't be like the last time when it took me like an hour to go about 20 miles around the Beltway. Hopefully everybody, by the time I get there, it won't be that bad, and I can get around the Beltway quick, and you know, and head back to good old DE, the D, Delaware. I'm gonna pass this. Whoa! All right. Let's see. We got rolling. It's getting a little bit longer than I thought. All right. Let me concentrate a bit on the road since it's a snowstorm out here. Bye-bye.